Wow. Okay, good morning, everybody. What's going on? A Rod sells homes. Sell homes. A Rod. Interesting day. Some shifts. A lot of shifts going on in breakout trading. All over the place. To start off with what's on the screen. What's on the screen here? Well, this is the CMEG. I've attached the link in the description demo. This is a Sterling platform. You have to make sure you select Sterling platform. So that's CMEG, and then another option you can use is Lightspeed. If you're profitable, you're not worried about PDT, and you don't want to take the small account challenge, don't go to CMEG. Go straight to Lightspeed. Try a demo and make sure when you hit select platform, again, Sterling, Sterling, Sterling. We're going to see the difference today in just how fast Sterling is. I mean, it has option chains. It has options on stocks that don't have options in TD Ameritrade. And price-wise, it's the same. They're not scalping you on the price. They're not getting it all. Looks pretty good so far. You get 6 times your money. No PDT rule. Let's test it out today. Tony will be with us shortly. We have a new system that we're putting into place. Now, on the standard group that we currently have, Tony's Trades and Investments, there's an issue with when Tony will put out an alert and then someone will put a comment right after that and the alert gets missed. So we now have an alert group just for alerts. So that's going to be all his text alerts, some of my text alerts. My text alerts might still even be given out just generally in another location, in the breakout trading location. I'm not sure, but I know I'll be putting my alerts in this group. So you'll get the alerts, you'll get the school. There's a link in the description, sign up Genius. When you hit that, you'll get to a screen like this. A little brief thing about what you're paying for. It's done on a month-to-month basis to keep it simple. And right now, it's on discount. It's $30 a month right now. You can get it for $25, or you can get 4 months for $90. 1 year is $245. There's also other deals in here. If you look at the bottom, you have you can get a deal for a lifetime. I'm sorry, that's this one. 1 year free, with Diamond course, or you can get a lifetime with, it didn't finish that, with Gold, Silver, or the Bronze course. To get to those courses, simply just copy and paste this and put it in your browser. Uh, and then finally, this last deal is for lifetime members. If you're already a lifetime member, uh, you and me are settled. We're square, but Tony doesn't want to just let people into his group, which is understandable. I don't know why it's kicking me out right now. So you can get 1 year for $40. That's if you're a lifetime Breakout Trading member. That just gets you in. Listen, I understand if you don't want to do that, talk to me, and we'll work something out. But it was just me, and now there's two of us. So yes, you can't really say, oh, now things up. But if he won't take you in the group, and I want to get you in the group, what else can I do? So talk to me if you want to, or that helps with the growth of the group. Even though it's only $40, it helps with the growth of the group. But that's that. I don't know why I got signed out like that, and it's not the first time that happened. I think they give multiple people the same. Yeah, I think they give multiple people the same like username, and people are bumping each other off. That better not happen. But all right, so let's go ahead. We got pre-market. We got about a few minutes till Tony comes on. This looks a little bit like yesterday, doesn't it? Oh, that was last night. This one was ripping. So we're gonna go to put in a ticker on here. Well, yesterday it worked. I just clicked. Oh, and by the way, just so you know, very simple. What I put in, the red line is the view app. I keep this one as a 5-minute chart. Don't know why it's like that. Oh no, it's a 1-minute chart. The one to the top left is a 5-minute chart. This has the Bollinger Bands and the Kelter Channel. Very big indicator of a trend reversal, especially when they intercept. This simply has a 9-day moving average and a VWAP, and that's it. Any other technical analysis could use a different chart to go ahead and do that. Paven says beyond. He feels strong it will go above 150. And I want to know why. 150. Oh, and end of day. What do you think it'll go to 150 end of the day? That's what I was just about to do, is look the news up. Huh. I don't like how that other one doesn't show you how much it's progressed in the last. Beyond's definitely one to keep on the watch list. The news on that one. Let's see the news on that one. Nothing. I don't see anything about China. Unless you saw that on something else, like Seeking Alpha or something. I don't see it. Uh, how's the music, guys? It's not too loud. We're gonna be connecting Tony in soon. I do like Beyond, and I am gonna add that to the watch list. Absolutely. I know there's a watch list here somewhere. Where is it? Huh. It's alright. I'll just keep it on the charts. I don't really like to use digital watch lists because in essence it's all kind of just numbers and very high volume, very good, very nice. I like to keep my watch list kind of on a chart type scale. Um, so charts. It's like this. Gives me a lot of room. I can see a lot of stuff. And beautiful. Alright. Okay, I get it. You just hover over it and type RTIX. Okay. Alright, alright. Oh, on this one we also have the pivot points. I didn't mention that. But these are daily pivot points, which is different than uh, Tony, go text alerts in that other room. I think you got that. I don't know if I see that, but easy webinar. I'm patching Tony in right now. Tony, you gotta log into easy webinar. All right. What else? What do we got here? RTIC. Um. I'm not comfortable with those charts yet. Let's see. RTIC. RTIX. RTIX. Okay, up on earnings. We love that. It's managed to stay above the VWAP. Oh, there we go. That's why. Where's the gap? I don't see the gap. Okay, I guess I see it. Why does it look so different here? Oh, this doesn't have pre-market in here. That's what's screwing me up. Well, these are things we expected were going to happen. So let me go to settings. Should be an add pre-market. Show executions, yes. Show open orders, yes. Change order, yes. That's all good stuff. Does anybody know how to add to the pre-market to this? Oh, here you go. Time range. No, it's not that. There we go. Boom. Figured it out. I think. Oh yeah. Check that out. It's not even on the map now. Well, that's confusing. It's off the charts. I don't understand. All right, but I really am I'm very interested into this. I like that it's staying above the view app, the way that it is, and there we go. Finally, that was bothering me. All right, so we can see here. Oh my God, it's beautiful. It's right on top, that main pivot over there. Art. What is it? RTIX. And okay, this is beautiful. Oh no, it's a little overextended. It's very overextended. Let me take one more look. Now, all this charting and stuff, the things that I'm looking at on the side, this is extremely important stuff. These are things that you'll learn if you take Tony's course. And now that there's a month-to-month fee for the text alerts and the private live stream, we're obviously not doing it today because we didn't give you guys any notice. There's more incentive now to join the course than ever. You have to consider the fact that if you join the Diamond course, which is usually about $375 or $475, you get 1 year mentorship and in the group for free. If you do a gold, bronze, or diamond course, you get lifetime mentorship, lifetime access to the group on both ends, Tony and my end. Yeah, this is no good unless it goes down into the threes. But I do really like that one, and I am gonna create an alert for that. Like 389 would be a good buy. No, cancel, replace alert. And let me see if Tony came in the room. How's the music on YouTube? It's not too loud, is it? Wow. You know what's interesting? I just checked another filter, and this one happened to be at the top of the filter. I mean, it's the leading gapper of the day. Come on. How could it not be? The floats on this thing, RTIX. The float's on the high side, guys. 73 is definitely more than 40. On stocks under $5, even though now it's a $6 stock, I like to see a float under 40. Maybe it is under 40. No, it's about a 62 million float. And nowhere near the volume necessary. I don't like this one that much, but Tony's in, so let me pop him on. And I can't see you. If you're on YouTube right now and you want to be able to get the 0-second delay service, there is a link that will bring you to a 0-second delay service that Tony will be on, as well as myself. Either works fine. It's better to have no delay. Tony, you're ready to come in whenever you're ready. Hey, good morning, Ali, Ali, Sean, Tina, Mark, Paven.
You hear me?
Yes,
You hear me?
yes, yes.
You hear me? You hear me, Luke?
Yes.
All right. So today I'm looking at ICHR. I like this one at like 35.30, 35.40, anywhere around there. ICHR. I think the stock could go to like $40.
Wow, that's nice. There, where? Wait, hold on. It's ICHR. I and what's the bid?
About 35.30, 35.40, anywhere around there.
Also, just a little bit down from where it is
Yeah.
now.
And that RTIX, I think that got bought out, by the way.
It's possible. It looks very flat, right? Let's check that
Yeah.
out.
I think it got bought out, RTIX.
Let's check that out, because then it's literally not
My
gonna
next
move.
my next stock I like a lot, believe it or not, is XBIT. XBIT. They did a big share buyback on that stock of like 40 something million
Wow,
shares.
look at that.
I think you have to watch that stock at like 25.10, 25.20. That's why I would buy that. If it breaks 25 and goes to 24, I would sell it and
Yes,
repurchase it at like 21.
21.94. I still have a bid here at 21.94 from another
What?
time on
XBIT?
XBit. Yeah,
Remember, XBIT was given at like 20. Remember, these are all winners. I gave all winners within the last month. They were all winners. If you held on to them, they all came back. These
it's
stocks.
ridiculous. I know.
We
You need to lose. Otherwise,
we we,
people are gonna
we
think
gave
you're
it.
cheating.
We gave. If you write all these stocks down, and everybody was like, "Oh, the stock number went up." I was like, "You got to
It's
give it a
true.
chance." It wasn't a day trade because it was tax selling season, and I was like, "You got to stay in the range and just hold on to it." And XBIT was like $20, went to 19. Back now, look where it is today, $26. This stock could easily go to $30. I'm buying. I'm gonna take a 25.10, 25.20 bid on this stock, and if it goes to 24, I would sell it at a loss. I would re-enter it like 21.10, 21.20, or I would average down into the next channel, which is like 20.75 to 21.10. I would cost average down within that range.
Okay.
But the stock I'm looking at today is ICHR. I'm gonna actually
All right,
buy
I'm gonna
stock.
put your picks in right now on the text alert because. Go ahead, but
Yeah,
you can keep
and
talking.
also there's another one. There's MMSI. That one
Damn,
there,
man.
I'm not sure.
We
MMSI
got
about
2 minutes.
36.10, 36.20.
MMSI. Okay, MMSI. All right, keep talking. Keep them occupied because I got to figure out how to do this.
All right.
I'm
So
retarded when it comes to these new
the
things.
first we got right here ICHR 3503, 35.99. I will get in right on the market open on that one. Um,
ICR, right? Right on the market
yeah,
open.
like 35.50, 35.40, anywhere around there. ICHR. BGFV, you mentioned before. I like to see it open at 4 if I'm going to buy that,
Which
which is
one was that?
ICHR. We're going into ICHR.
I know,
That's the
but you
first
just
one.
mentioned another one.
Yeah, BGFV. You got to make sure it opens at 4 in order to get in that. If it doesn't open at 4, I'm not a buyer of that. Now, XBIT is around 25. If it breaks 25 here, my bid on the stock is 21.10, 21.20. As a
XBit.
matter of fact, I will put a 21.10, 21.20 bid on XBIT.
I agree. I like that bid.
Like
21,
21.10, 21.20
21,
XBIT.
20.
ICHR, I would just put a 35.50. I would take some stock at 36 also, ICHR. I'll buy 36. I'll average down to like
All right,
35,
real
10.
quick, because the market's about to open. What's your target on ICHR, XBit, and
I
XBit?
said 39.75 would be the first range. And XBIT will be like 30 if it opens from 21 to like 24.95, 25. Look at XBIT. I'll put a 21, definitely put a 21.20 bid on XBIT. ICHR, I'm going in on the market open. I'm paying 35.99, 35.75, 35.30, 35.40. I'm buying anywhere in that range. That's why it's very important to take the course. This way, we both see what we're seeing, and
I like this BGFV. It looks very nice.
so now ICHR right here is 34.91 by 36.
All right, here we
There's
go.
ICHR. Open that. ICHR opened at 35. Let's watch this carefully here, guys. This is a great opening on this ICHR.
ICHR.
Okay, right now we're not getting an ICHR because it opened at 34. Let's watch it go above 35 and then we're getting in. So let's wait a while here. Let's wait for development here. Um, XBIT hit 24.50.
Okay,
Let's
I
watch
like
it.
I like what. Go ahead.
We just gotta watch this. We just gotta wait for it. We can't just jump in. We gotta wait for
No, no, no.
development.
Listen, I'm on that new discipline program where I try to wait at least 5 minutes before I get in, unless it's at my entry. You know, that's the way I've been playing it. I really like the movements of RTIX right now. It's at that $5 level, which we declared earlier would be a great buy.
Yeah, but
Uh,
RTX didn't it get bought out?
no, it didn't get bought out. I looked it up. Okay, RTIX. Oh, this is gonna take me forever. Okay, we're gonna go. Wow, you have to have this stuff all preset, or you'll get screwed.
If XBIT breaks 25.50, I'm buying XBIT. This is where I'm buying XBIT. I'm watching all these carefully now. I'm watching the ICHR and I'm watching the XBIT.
Okay, Arca buy. All right, so I'm in that RTIX. XBit I'm looking at too right now. Yeah, I think XBit's looking nice, but I really like RTIX. I just got in at like 5. Doesn't tell me my average price on here. It was like 518 or something like that. Now it's at 516.
Just got to give it a little chance, a little. I'm an XBIT, guys. I just jumped in XBIT right now.
Bid. I like it
I'm
at
an XBIT.
510
I
too.
think XBIT goes to $30.
Well, let me
It
see.
cleared
What'd you say?
25.
XBit?
Yeah. You get 25.30, 25.50. You can buy 25.30,
Uh,
25.20.
XBit. Wow, Beyond. Look at Beyond. You were right, Pavon. 5 points already.
So we should all be an XBIT right now. Here we go, XBIT. XBIT's going to 29.70.
I'll take a little XBit here. Still 400. There's got to be a quicker way to do this. There goes XBit. BYND. Killing it right now. Killing it. If it breaks 130, I'm all over that. I am all over that. I think it is going to break 130. So I might as well buy it on a pullback.
Here's the odd opening on Beyond, 123.
Beyond, I'm going to go ahead and go to the options chain on Beyond. Uh,
Now
BYND.
I'm gonna buy some. I'm getting in right here. ICHR here, 34.50 was the low. I'd like to see 35 bid, and I'll enter ICHR.
January 17th.
Now my stop loss on XBIT would be 24.50. So I'll look to get out of it at 24. I'm in ICHR right now. 35.40. I got an ICHR. I'm in ICHR and I'm in XBIT.
Did I get filled on that? Okay, I'm in Beyond. Did it break 130 yet? Once that breaks 130, this is going positive. Okay, Beyond's positive. I'm down on XBit. And I'm flat on here. Ignore these two at the top,
I'm in
SBY and
ICHR and XBIT.
How do I get out of these?
Now at 36, I would add more XBIT for the
Yeah, I
breakout.
really don't care.
Okay, just
Oh, I messed up somewhere. Just trying to fix my
I'm
thing
adding
up.
more ICHR as it goes up to $36. I think the next range is 39.
Okay, we made 2 points already, up $4,700 on that 2 point move on Beyond. Good call, Pavin. Now up $5,000. It's now at 133. Okay, now I'm taking a partial for sure.
I'm adding more ICHR. Just added a little more ICHR here. I'm adding more ICHR.
Taking a partial here. 18 sell at the last. You always sell at the last. Not, I mean at the last, at the est. Esk. You sell at the esk. All right, beautiful. Made almost 6 grand off of that. Xbit I'm down, and Artix I'm down. Uh, RTIX. Let me take a
I'm
look at
adding
Art.
more ICHR. Adding more ICHR.
How many times have you added to? Oh my God, I
I'm
missed
adding it
that
to the
one.
range.
That was a beautiful play.
I'm taking a little loss on XBit right now. If XBit gets back to like 25.20, 25.30, I'll buy more. I'll buy it again. But right now, I'm waiting for this XBit.
What
I'm
was your
waiting.
target on Xbit? You said like 39,
ICHR
right?
is going to 39. XBit is like supposed to go to 30, but it broke 24.50. If it breaks 24.50, I'm out. I
It's
got to
too
stop.
it's too late to chase that, right? That's over. You can't
Well, we
chase
got to. Let's just watch to see if it goes back over 25. And let's see what it does over here.
over 30
It's
over.
not really selling. It's not really selling hard. So I'll just wait for it.
No, I mean ICHR is you can't. There's no use
No,
in chasing
ICHR is
that
gonna go.
now.
ICHR is going high. It's going to 39, at least 39.
So now's a good entry on the first pullback here.
Yes, you should have got in at 35.30,
I was looking at
35.40.
something else.
You
Beyond got
could have
my
got in on
attention.
that one.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna just get
We're still an expert waiting for experts, not
small
crashing
share
down. That's
size.
why I believe in averaging down within the ranges, because I don't want to get shooken out on my stop loss and then I got to re-enter at a high
See this
price.
pullback here, guys? This is the first pullback on an uptrend. That's a great place to buy in. I got lucky that I caught it at that time. Now I'm in. Up, now it's pulling back even more. That's fine. That's okay though. 600. Let's see how much it pulls back. It's at 35. It should have decent support at 35. See, I should have added down there. Let's see if it goes back down there. Okay, now it's down to like, okay, that's a decent enough pullback that I can add.
I'm going to add more ICHR here. I think it's still going to complete its range.
Yeah, I'm adding right here at this first. This is the first pullback. That's a 1 minute chart. That's the first
Yeah.
pullback. Is gonna be a second rally here. So I added there. I have 1,800 shares on that.
So now my thing is, I would wait for XBit. If I'm wrong, I bought a little bit of XBit. I will load XBit at like 2075, 2050. I will load up more on that. This way, my cost average will be. I'll be in the from the 20 to 25 range. My cost average, I will be in the range for a sell between 24 and change. Like I would, my XBit, I would take a stop loss on it now, and re-enter at 21 and change. If it goes over 25, I'll re-enter it again. But it looks like it's going to the bottom range, which is the 20 to 25 range. So ICHR would add more. I'm adding a lot more of ICHR. I think it goes to $39. As far as XBIT is concerned, we got stopped out. We're waiting for the next range now, which is the $21 range. Because it's 5 point intervals 20, 25, 30, 35.
What a freaking call with Beyond. And now at 134.55.
I want to see if Beyond came down my filter, which it was before, but it didn't.
Alright, I'm hoping for a VWAP bounce here on XBit. If it doesn't bounce on XBit, I am just going to simply get out below 24, like you said, and then get back in when it's back at the bottom of the range. But I think it looks like it's going to break the VWAP in the 24.
Money management is key. Making money on one stock, taking a loss on another one, re-entering another one. It's you always make money.
Alright, I added a little more XBit just in case it pops on
The
this range
ICHR
here.
is going. ICHR is the king of the castle right now. 52-week high, five
I
point
know.
ranges,
Wow.
$39. At least 39
Even if you
ICHR.
bought 1,000 shares when I got in, you would have made about $500. Just 1,000 shares. I'm up 768 on that. I'm up almost 7 grand on Beyond. That's ridiculous. But now Beyond's pulling back some. So I'm thinking of taking a bigger partial here. Okay, XBit. I'm finally in the money on XBit. I averaged down at that 24 level. I'm positive on everything this morning. Oh, spoke too soon. XBit went back down, except RTIZ. But I only bought 200 shares of RTIZ. I'm only buying that if it goes above that level there. Oh, you know what? I made a mistake. I made an error on RTIZ. RTIX. That had to go down to the 3s, not the 5s. I might just get out of this one. We'll see. Alright, so the biggest gainer on the day right now is the stock HGSH. Alright, I'm up on XBit, nice. I'm up on ICHR, nice. I'm up on Beyond, nice. HGSH looks very, very tempting to put a bid in at about $1. This is the first pullback of the rally. I'm going to go ahead and take a risk on this one.
I don't like the sell off of XBit. I just purchased a little bit more of XBit. I'll take another loss on it because I'm loaded on ICHR. I think ICHR has completed its range. Let's see if XBit the sell off on XBit, I don't like it. I would like to see it like 21 and change, like the next range. But
Well, XBit is doing good right now for me. I'm up on
yeah,
XBit.
well, you bought it at 24 and change, right? 24.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's back in 25 though now. Should stay in the.
I'm not an expert. I'm not an expert. I'm fully loaded in ICHR. I think ICHR is going to go to the next range, which is 39.
I'm in
It's
ICHR
50.
as well. What is
It's a 52
ICHR
week
at?
high, 36.46. I think it goes to at least 40, 39.90. I'm still in it. I'm holding it. That's my stock for today. ICHR.
I'm all over the place, and I kind of like it. I'm
Yeah,
in.
BGFV never went up, never opened the four, so I'm away from it. XBIT keeps on hitting 25 and coming down, and it's telling me that 21 and change is your bid on that. I'm not touching it. I'm fully loaded in ICHR. I think ICHR could definitely go to 39. No, there's all confirmations. 52-week high, in the range. I think the stock goes. I'm just waiting for it, patiently. There's ICHR keeps going. There you go. 52-week high. We just broke another high. Let's go. I got 39.70 sell on that one. This XBIT gets to 25, comes down, gets to 25, comes down. If it doesn't get to 25 again, it's going to come all the way down. Like to
Those were
sell off
all
slow.
really good picks. ICHR, great pick. Great pick.
Now, when you take the course, you will learn how to read the charts and go for the ranges. Not necessarily is the entry is the key. Entry is key to the whole business, but taking a profit based on your accounts, um, on your risk management. So you guys, if you're up $1.50, $2 on a 5 point range, and you got 1,000 shares taken, I like to play the whole range out. If the stock doesn't complete its range that day, it will within coming days. So I could be in a stock and have cash on the side also to play for tomorrow. To so you guys have to be a good money manager. That's you'll learn that throughout, from when you take the course and all that. Um,
You're
I'm
just
so nice.
joining the group. That alone, joining the group, is a big deal right now because, like I said, I have the thing shared in the description. You could join the group. It's on a monthly basis, um, and you
I'm an
could get.
ICHR. I'm not getting out. I'm staying with the stock. I
I
think the
got
stock's
into
gonna
that
go.
freaking HGSG at 107. It's now at 139. Freaking amazing move. I didn't buy a lot of it though. Only bought 1,000 shares. RTIX. I'm not even gonna touch that. And these two shouldn't even be here. Yeah. So make sure if you want to continue staying in the chat room, getting text alerts coming into the live stream, that you click the Sign Up Genius link in the description. We have things on sale right now. Like you can get 4 months if you want for a cheap rate. You can get a year if you want for a cheap rate. If you're a lifetime member, that's totally something different. We have something there for you. It's you can call it an extra. It's not necessary, but you are still a lifetime member. So, in other words, there's add-ons, if you put it that way. Tony is his own person. All right. Ask, sell. The one thing I gotta get used to with Sterling is it always wants you to pick a destination. ICHR, now I'm down. I'm not watching close enough. I'm all over the place. RTIZ, RTIX rather. What did that go down to? 434. It hit the bottom of a channel and bounced. Might not be a bad idea to get into R, but look at this one, this HGSG, but it hasn't moved. Why not? Okay, RTIX. See, now you can see it's starting to pop. It's at 470, 460. I'm gonna add a little bit to this, kind of like an average down. Should have got it at 430. That would have been smart. So yeah, I'm not 100. I'm not 100% entirely sure how to put in orders because you have to go into settings to get the kind of orders that you want. Like if I want to put it a stop buy order. So let's say
I
how
bought a little XBit here. Take one more chance on XBit. Bought a little more XBit. Figures it goes to 27. I'll take some money.
XBit HGSG HGSG. Oh, there goes. Are you sure Paven Beyond is gonna go that high? uh, SGHGSH. See, I wanna HGSH is really looking beautiful. When I look at it on my regular charts, it looks better. There's a pre-market high of 183. I do believe that it's going to attempt to break that, and I believe it so much I'm gonna put it in the what's the news? It has great news. Oh, no wonder it wasn't moving before it was halted. I was thinking the thing wasn't working. But Sterling usually warns you at what price a stock is going to be halted. So you're never caught off guard. It'll tell you, like, oh, this is going to
Okay, here's
halt.
XBit breaking 26, guys. I'm out of 27. I'm taking my money here. I'll take my loss plus profits. Still an ICHR. Super holder of ICHR.
I'm going to,
Okay, here we go.
let's see. XBit, I'm up 2 grand, so I'm taking that 2 grand now.
Look at this ICH art spin now.
Alright, I took 2100 on XBit. Great freaking call. Guys, this is insane. The way it works with Tony's calls, my picks, and just simply plugging them into Sterling is unbelievable. It's unbelievable. Look at this ace HS HGSH. Unbelievable. HSGH. It is halted, so I don't want to get shaken out. Now I want to put some protection on that. Stop loss of sorts. Look at this thing. Now it's at 159. What did I say? It's definitely going to attempt to break this 183 level. It's very important. 150 is a psychological resistance. So, that being said, I'm going to take a partial here. About 750 of my shares. Lock in that profit. Where are we at? 140, 150. I'll take it at 140, 147. Sell. Whoa, 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 whoa. It always makes you enter the account. That's so annoying. All right, so I took my partial on that. Oh no, it got me entirely out. I wasn't. Got me entirely out. That's okay. I'll just buy 250 more. But let me see if I can get it on a pullback. Because it looks like it's going to break right now.
Love
Yeah.
this ICHR. I think it's still gonna make a big move still to come.
Alright. I'm just picking up 100 shares of that. No. Let's pick up another 100. Buy. I always go with the Arca because that's what Tony told me. That the Arca is the best one. And it does seem to fill most of the time. Now Beyond is coming down back to 128. So I'm going to sell that last option. Still made 4,500 on it.
Here's ICHR and here's XBit coming up strong. Now I would ride XBit like my loss on XBit. I would take it all the way up. I'll play the range on it. My loss on XBit is 25.40. That's what I initially got in, and I'm playing the range on. I'm thinking XBit could go to 30 or $29. So I would stay with it and like put my stops going down. This ICHR going for 39 on it. I think once it breaks, the stock has to complete its range 35.40, goes
Yeah,
to 39.
ICHR is gonna keep going. It just
Yeah,
tested and then now it's
we're just
re-rallying.
staying with that stock. The X bid is like stalls out, stops, stalls out, stops.
I got out of XBit because I was up two
I'm
grand on
still
it.
an X bid. I'm still an X bid.
XBit is killing it too. These are all amazing picks.
That
All
ICHR is my favorite one though. The ICHR was going to go $39 at least.
HGSG. Um,
Now, if you guys have ICHR 35.10, 35.30, you had a lot of time to buy it there, and you're up $2. It's up to you. You guys want to take it, whatever it is. I'm staying in it. I played a whole range on it. XBid's another one I'm staying in on. You know,
why did it do that to my chart?
it's like they trade together. XBid and ICHR. When they go up, they both go up at the same time.
I know. I noticed that. It's weird. The market is technically just going down right now. Market is at 29,000. You said, or the Dow is at 29. You said 30, then crash. So we're
Yeah,
almost there.
yeah, you got to figure that.
We're almost there. We're almost there.
And then you'll see 30,000 like 10 years from now. Because obviously,
Yeah.
when the market crashes, they'll go down to like 21,000, then we'll creep up, and then 10 years will go by before we break the new highs.
That's how it is. But that's what you take advantage of. This is the thing I love about market crashes. It takes 10 years for the market to go up. It could crash in a month. You can capitalize on all of that volatility. It's beautiful. UVXY calls, TVIX stock. I wonder if they have a TVIX call because they've been having unusual options. And by the way, guys, this Sterling platform, the way you see things executing immediately is how they're actually executing. It's not just because I'm on paper. This is how Sterling is. You buy, you're in. That's it. Okay, so HGSH is doing exactly what I thought it was going to do. It's getting ready to break over that pre-market high. We lost the pre-markets on here again. It's at 167. The pre-market high is 183. So I want to go ahead and put a well, let's check if there's anything significant around that level. HGSH. Wow, look at that candle. We hit 52-week highs in the pre-market technically when it was 183. What is this? And predefined.
Okay, ICHR and XBIT still in them.
Price channels. The only thing I don't like about this Sterling platform thing is it must be halted here, guys.
Let me hit that. Really? I can handle it. I am certain that you cannot. Oh, come on, I see a ton of
Haven,
opportunities.
look what happened to Beyond. You said
Right.
stay until 150. I got out. I like to take base hits, baby. I was a blunter in baseball. I can hit the ball. I can get that base hit. Now I'm a blunter. I just, blunt and then blunt
You
this.
notice this XBIT, every time it goes down to 25.99, somebody bids 26, 26.01. That tells me there's a lot of support there.
I love the way the level 2s is set up on here. Wow. Okay, we're at 170. I just saw $2 on the ask as the top price for the Nasdaq. This thing is ripping. All right, now I want to put it in a sell order, but I don't want to sell right away. I want to put a
Look at that 5. 26.05.50 was showing, got filled on XBIT.
sell on the ask. So if you do sell on the ask and then you pick a price. So if I pick 190 to sell 100, what did it say? 190, sell 100. No, 190. It filled that order, but I didn't even do 200 shares. I just did 100 shares. This is getting frustrating. Getting back in just for. Okay, let's say I want a 179 bid, a 175 bid. Buy. Or I'll take 179, whatever. I just want to give. Here's my active positions. Okay. IH. Whoa, what happened to ICHR? I was just up 1,000 in there, and then it cut me in half.
Still in it, still in it.
Now I'm only at $200. I think something's wrong with my platform because I'm watching it right here and it's not dumping. It's pulling back a little bit. But am I crazy or was I just up 1,000 in that? Definitely. It needs to pop up right now. Otherwise, it's going to break the VWAP and I'm out. even though by the end of the day it'll still hit 39. I'm just trying to get in and out right now. Okay. Market is about to rebound, by the way. You see that formation that the market's making, the consolidating downward wedge, usually turns into a spike to the upside. Usually. I'll take a 175 bid on it. I can't tell if it's filling me at the price I'm asking for or not. Where do you find that out? Your average
I'd
trade
rather
price.
be an ICHR than expert. I'm in both, but I'd rather be an ICHR.
ICHR, I'm in. XBit, I got out of already. But XBit's still gonna continue to go up. It just broke north the VWAP, and its volume is starting to pick up here a little bit. All right, Holt is off on HGSH. So like I said, like I wanted to do earlier, I want to take a bid here. A $2 205 bid. No, not bid. When you sell, that's the ask, right? When you're using when you trade off the level twos.
Yeah.
What if I?
I just broke out even on expert. I took some money on expert. I don't like the way that's trading on here. I'm adding more ICHR here. I just took out the 50 and it just gapped up. I want to see if the 50 goes on the bid now.
You got T stop, which is trailing stop. You got S stop, which is what stop? Trailing stop. Something.
I own tons of this ICHR here.
No. I want it at $2. Is it gonna fill my order? If I put it, let me see something real quick. If I put $100 here, would it fill my order at $100? I just want to see if this thing is messed up. Yes, it did. Why is it just filling orders like that? It's literally, I just sold a $1 stock for $100. I guess because it's a demo. But good news, we're not going to be we are going to be using this for the small account challenge. The other news I got is got the Lightspeed demo as well. So now I put it in the description on YouTube. There's the CMEG, which is this one. You can sign up for the demo, and I just got my email for Lightspeed. Wow, I didn't know Lightspeed was more than CMEG. The platform fee is $230 a month. The data is streaming for today.
I want to look at the market watch here.
Yeah.
And I want to look at the float on ICHR. It's nothing.
Yeah, it has to have a low flow. There's no way it'd be moving like this with a high flow.
It's got 22 million public float.
Beyond is popping back up. Rare is killing it today too. It's leftover from
There's the
yesterday.
ICHR coming up.
ICHR.
That's what was crazy about XBit. I'm down about 700 on XBit for the day, but I'm making a little back on ICHI. Added tons more, 3640, 3650.
ICHR looks good.
I bought a lot of 35 and change.
ICHR is about to break new highs again. We're gonna start using artificial intelligence again. Why not?
The this ADAP 505 backed up to 530.
HGSH, what a great find. I just can't believe it let me sell it at $1. I guess it lets you do, I guess you only can do market on here while you're doing the demo, otherwise it's like not fair. Which I hate buying market. Oh no, it gives you, okay, it gives you the mark. I guess when you put here, you're getting the mark. Oh, this break, by the way, the guys, this broke the pre-market highs. It went up to 185. And it did a little bit of a fake out. Once it broke the pre-market highs, it pulled back to 164.
Still
And
an ICHR. Still waiting for ICHR.
it's holding
Not
again.
moving.
This thing is ridiculous, DJ. I'm going to pop in on Sterling real quick. I just want to see. This is what it looks like when it comes to you, dear client of Sterling. Welcome to Sterling Trader Pro, the most advanced order entry and order management system in the industry. That is absolutely true. Oh, good thing I showed everything but my password. All right.
All the picks that we gave within the last 2 months, if you were playing within the ranges, even though you were down and you stood with them, they all came back.
Absolutely, 100% of them.
They all came back because when the stock sits within the range, and especially if you're buying within the pullback of the second range, you expect it to go higher.
So guys, this is the this is it. This is where we gave about 45 days for free. Tony's been giving out picks for a long time. And we want to make something bigger here. We want to create a website that'll have a full cache of all different types of videos, educational videos. I have a school completely designed that just needs to be uploaded into software. And to do that kind of stuff costs money. And, to do it out of our pocket when we're not promoting affiliates. We're not doing anything. We're not telling you to go sign up with TradeNet so you can, whatever. We're not telling you anything. We're not doing any sort of promotion. So if you like what we're doing here and want to help us make it better and create these courses and this website with the videos as well as testing, I have the best kind of testing software and curriculum. Just needs to be put up. I'm telling you, Tony, you don't even know. You have not even seen this yet, Tony. Tony hasn't even seen this. What I have is people pay $30,000 for, and I have it. Now, obviously, I'm not gonna plagiarize it. I would never do anything like that, but definitely sets up a structure for new things to come in this group. And that's not going to be charged. That's not like a course. That's nothing. That's just going to be the nature of this group, which is what I intended when I started it January 20th, 2019, almost a year ago. So we're asking for you to sign up. Again, the link is in the description. You can sign up for 1 month, whatever you want to do. And if you're a lifetime member and you feel you don't have to sign up, you don't. But if you do, it's appreciated, and you get put into Tony's text alerts. I don't know if you noticed, if you're in the regular free chat room, Tony's text alerts were not in there today. They are in the private group, which is now, growing. And I think that this is a great opportunity for everybody. Now this, let me see here. Yeah, it's right in the description. Sign up, genius, copy, and then it says breakout at the end. Um, what we're planning on doing is very smart moving forward. So right now, we're literally testing the Sterling platform, Sterling Trader, and we're getting used to that. That is top of the line, the Lamborghini of trading software. You guys seen how quick everything was executing. It's incredible. CMEG, the one I'm just using, it is safe. There is no PDT. It is overseas, but it is backed by interactive brokers. So their primary broker is interactive brokers. You're just using a secondary source to get around PDT and use 6 times leverage. Um, Better than that, and if you're a profitable trader, I obviously recommend Lightspeed, probably the best brokerage that I've seen in my research. And I'm going to see if it lives up to its expectations and its reviews. But everybody says that when you trade on E-Trade or TD Ameritrade and you switch over to a Sterling platform, it's like running with a 50-pound bag on your back and then you throw it off. Like you'll be that much better. I mean, all the lagging and everything's so slow, and the way you have to order on here is just ridiculous. So let's see how this goes. But yeah, please don't hesitate to sign up. Again, the link is in the description. Uh, Don't mind the typos. If there are typos, I think I got all of them, but I noticed one this morning, and I think I fixed it. But yeah, there's multiple available slots. You can get the rest of January and February for $25. You know what? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this just because I'm feeling like a good guy right now. I'm feeling generous. I'll give you the rest of January and February. Let's go ahead and change that around. Let's change that around. All right. Now, don't forget, if you join our courses, you get in for free for life, or if it's the diamond course, a year. Um, all right, guys. So I am changing that one right now to Breakout. If you want to buy 1 month, if you buy it today, January, by today, January 15th, 14th, whatever, give you till midnight. I'm not sure if it expires on the day or the day before. $12.50, guys. Today only, because it's brand new. There is like a 5% service fee, so it'll probably come to like 13. But we don't get that service fee. That just comes from the software. Hence why we need a better website. But you always pay, even if you use anybody, PayPal or Advanced, the other one, authorized.net. You still have to pay. So that's it, guys. $12.50 today will get you 1 month, actually more than 1 month, 45 days to be a part of all of this. And the design. Let me see something here. So again, become a Breakout 2020 member. Guaranteed. A guaranteed path to profitability. When I say guaranteed, I mean guaranteed. Join today for as little as $1 to even 10 cents a day. What is $12.50 divided by 45 days? Probably like 15 cents. If within 2 weeks you don't feel you got 1,000 times or more of your value, then we have failed you and we will refund you all your money back. Okay? So here's what's in store. You're going to get the Tony Command Center with the text alerts, exit, and entries, which is, well, actually, I can't show it to you, but it is a private group that it just sends out the alerts. That's it. You make sure you put a different notification tone on that on your computer or phone. That way you know, okay, this is an alert. This is important. Look at the picks Tony picked today. I mean, beautiful, amazing picks. They're all rallying, sent to your phone for that price. For that price, I think I made $50,000 in the account today. And so anyway, so it comes with that. Then you also get the private live delay, the 0 second live stream delay. We're no longer going to be using the one. For now, we will, but we're going to be switching to Webinato or possibly Discord or possibly both. But it is a great private live streaming service. You can have your own account, nicely set up. If you've used TradeNet, you're familiar with it. That's what they use. It's a beautiful service. Um, on top of that, you get Breakout Trading text alerts. So that's regular text alerts from Breakout Trading. You'll continue to get those, which essentially come from myself. Actually, I might have to fix that. Mine actually go in the command center. But either way, you get mine and his. Breakout Trading Live University. So the Breakout Trading Live University is we're going to have a webinar once a week that is going to start this curriculum that I have set up that I want to put in to a website. I mean, listen, guys, we have everything set up to make this expand. We are looking for social media marketing people on Indeed, a CMO, a chief marketing officer, and a pretty much a computer nerd, somebody that can put this stuff nicely together into the computer. Um, so the official chat room, one-on-one. Oh, and yes, if you sign up at any point, you have the right to request a one-on-one consultation with myself or Tony. That's simple. So if you sign up and you say, you know what, my strategy is not good, let me know, let Tony know, and it could be done by phone call, it could be done by type. I've done it for, I'd say, hundreds of people at this point. So I'm pretty good at identifying the problem and fixing the issues. Watch RTIX about to pop up. No, I just saw something on the level 2 and then it went away. It might come back. Anyway, so finally, the completion of our website, which will have a cache of educational videos and tests, along with we're gonna have swing picks. We're gonna have great swing picks. I had a swing pick this week. I'm gonna check on it. I believe, I think it was like Tyson Foods or something. TY. I'll look back at my notes. Um, and we're going to give you artificial intelligence access as well. So access to those momentum scanners. I have a scanner with my own algorithm in it that has literally mine and Tony's strategy put into it, and it finds stocks that way. It's insane. So we'll give you access to all our AI as well as the configurations. Um, you know, you have to resubscribe every month, 4 month period or year, depending on what you sign up. So you can sign up a month, you can sign up for a 4 month period, or you can buy the year. We do not automatically renew you. A reminder will be sent to you between the 28th and the 31st, the last day of the month, whichever that is. From Sign Up Genius, reminding you that your thing is about to expire. You might also see a message from us as well. If you sign up or are resubscribing after the 15th of the month, because we're doing this on the 1st to keep it simple, we don't want everybody signing up on different dates. If you sign up on the 1st, that's it, you get the whole month. If you sign up on the 15th or after, we reduce the price to compensate. But pretty much the 1st to the 15th is going to be full price, and then after the 15th, we cut it in half. If you are a lifetime Breakout member, there's a special slot for you, 70% off regular price. Lifetime, we only ask for small contributions and hope that you will help us with our growth. No, we will not kick out a breakout lifer ever. So again, we will not kicking you guys out. Mentees or anyone who has taken the course does not have to pay the monthly fees for 1 year, unless otherwise arranged. Some people have it lifetime. And that's pretty much it. And that's how it works. And you go down, and it looks a little sloppy just because of the way my screen is. If you make it, there you go. So you can see, it tells you what it is. Breakout mentorship month to month. This is 30. This is for the rest of January. That's it. Remember, we don't automatically renew you, and you can get it today only. Maybe tomorrow for 12.50.
Not to mention, once you learn how to trade, um, you'll learn the system and the course. You actually could have more picks for yourself within the market, and you could also be a better trader. You might be a better trader than I am, and you could actually pick more stocks throughout the morning or the day that you could trade off of. That I sometimes trade. I don't tell the group because there's too much information, and I like to get one or two picks a day, but sometimes I'm trading 4 or 5 of them a day, and
Sometimes you're trading
you
12.
as well can learn that taking the course.
Yeah, very, very true. And so let's see if we'll do this as well since it's day one, and we got some activity going on up here. We will give. Oh, wait, hold on. So when you sign up, you're given a number. The program will give you a number. Oh, let me move this. Uh, the program will give you a number. I don't know, Tone. Let me message you on the side real quick. Okay. One person in 10 will win. You can get the $475 course. We'll put you in, and you might be able to win that for 12.50. So that's one in yeah, 1 in 10. 1 in 10 will be able to get access to the course, the Tony's course, the 2-day diamond course. It's a 475 course. Uh, that will be sent to you if you sign up. So that's a great value. And you'll also get the perks of the course as well. You'll get into the alumni group, which is a special group just for people that have seen or taken the course. And that's it. I don't know why I got so quiet. See, it's weird when the music turns off, isn't it? It's very weird. But Tony, you can't hear the music, right?
No, no, I'm
Yeah.
just watching this ICHR getting ready to go here.
I know I'm not even getting in my thing yet. All right, so we got the Sterling Pro platform up. We got Breakout 2020, and I don't know my password. So let me see. All right, let's check it out. Let's see what it looks like. I'm excited. It looks exactly like CMEG because it's Sterling. It's the same software. It's
Now,
literally
for those who took the course and who put a response in the chat room, type response based on like what was your experience with the course and
yeah.
was it useful for your trading and for those who took the course. I'm just watching this ICHR here making another move here.
See, since this is a Sterling platform, it may open up the exact same way I had CMEG. Yeah. What the heck's going on here? Oh, you can't change that, huh?
What was it?
I can't seem to get in this thing here. It's unbelievable. Unable to connect or reconnect from SDSD. Does anybody know what that means?
What is it?
It's like not letting me connect. If anybody could find out what the heck that means. Ali thinks Discord is better. Yeah, we're looking into Discord definitely.
I'm looking at. I was watching this DNLI. It was another trade to get in on for like $19. I didn't call it, but I bought some. That's what I'm talking about. Like there's a, you'll learn a lot of things like this stock here went inside the Bollinger Band, the moving average envelopes, DNLI, and there was a buy point of like $19, and now it's trading at $20. These are like I didn't call this trade because um, I don't want to give too much information. Like I don't want people to be all over the place because we already gave like XBIT, ICHR,
yeah,
Beyond. So there's certain things where you find the stocks from. They go with the chart and they always come back for some reason. Once you're in the range of the stock always comes back. Most likely 90% of the times, 95% of the times has to complete its range. Like yesterday, we gave ADAP like 3 and change, and I was like, it's going to like 4 and change. I said something like that, but it was going to 5, but I called 4. It blew the range. It broke 550. I mean, there's situations like that also, but I called like
oh
dollar
fuck.
50 on that stock. That stock gave you like double the money, double and a half the money. It was from 2 to like 5, so it gave you 3 points on a $2 stock. And like I said, when you take the course, you'll see things like that. You'll see the chart, and you'll make a decision whether you want to stay in or whatever you want to do. Take money out, like based on your capital. If you want to hold it for 2 days because it's got to complete its range still. It's all important information, and it's must needed information if you want to be in this business. I think it's fairly priced for what you're getting, and you should be making money on the software on the course.
Hey Rob, my name is Angio. I'm with a company called Breakout Trading, and we're interested in using your software.
You hear me, Luke?
Software. I set up a demo, and it's not letting me log in. It's telling me SDSC is not working. Contact your manager. And multiple different ways of logging in, and it's not working. If you could please give me a call back, my phone number is 702-605-60. All right. Thank you very much, Rob. Bye bye. Yeah, sorry about that. I called Lightspeed. You know they're actually right here in New York on the Avenue of Americas. What is that? Like Eighth Ave. But they're right here. Their offices.
You hear me, right?
Yeah. Oh, what is this? Click here for the man. Click here for the map. Oh, there's another person. Beautiful. Another phone number. This is bull crap. This should work. But while you're at it, put in your application for Lightspeed if you're looking at Lightspeed. I'm getting really annoyed that it's not letting me log in. It looks like it's not fully downloaded. Like that should not be like that. Actually, yeah, it is.
This be beyond, right? Did it hit 118 in the beginning, or just went to 118.51?
No, it shot up. It shot up from like 126, 128 to all the way to 135, and then dropped. I sold it at about 134. It's a crazy, crazy play. All right, so what is this? Unable connector.
You hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
All right.
I'm getting annoyed here. What's going
All
on?
right. Anyway, I gotta get going because I got a lot of things to do. I'm still in ICHR, guys. I'm waiting for the stock to break out. The stock should go to $39. I'm heavily loaded on this ICHR. Um, and it was a great trading day today, by the way. I guess I'll talk to you later, Luke.
Yeah, I'll
I'll,
talk
I'll,
to you a little bit. Yeah.
I'll post in the chat room anyway because we got ICHR. Just post throughout the day in the chat room.
Posting the text alert, the updates, the text alert group. You got that one down, right? You know which one that is?
Let me just say, hold on one second.
Because there's 3 groups. There's the mentee group, the alumni, which is also called the alumni group. So you got the alumni, you got the main chat, and then you got the text alert, which nobody can type on but you and I.
Okay, yeah, I got it.
All right, so that's the text alert group. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so I'll see you later.
Okay, take care, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
So, I don't understand what is going on. And I'm annoyed that it's not working. Did good in ICHR. I might as well sell that. See, I wish there was just a quicker way to sell. Sold. Actually, that is pretty quick when you think about it. I'm not selling RTIZ yet. RTIX. I know that's gonna pop later on. But all winning trades today. This one aside, I mean, we know we've messed around with this one, but this one was an actual win. HGSG. No. Alright, let's see here. Great day, great picks. You know what? I'm really at the point where I'm ready to say fuck all this. Like, like I just am not gonna do this anymore. And yeah, because it's losing me money. And I'm talking about the demo thing, like the paper account. But now I have to get used to this. Um, So, yeah, I just want to start trading in cash, and that's how most traders mess up. They don't have a strategy. They just want to make money. They jump into cash. I have a strategy that works. See, but Tony's strategy is extraordinarily advanced. He had a beautiful picks this morning. The only thing I picked today was HGSH, which was a midday, and my pre-market was this one, but I only had time to see one. Had I had looked at the list, I would have picked something else. I did not like the volume on this one. That's why when I first went in, I only went in with 200 shares. I wish you could just do this, like drag it over. Okay, you can. Yeah, this one's done. Xbit. Xbit's looking good now. Popping, popping. ICHR, I'm still in, right? Oh no, I got out. Only thing I'm in is RTIX. I love this. I love how fast it is. It's a little unusual. It's unusual. Tony's still in ICRG. It looks like ICHRRRR. So you know what we're gonna do, of course, is can I get rid of this? No. Let's do a daily recap real quick. Ving vang voom. ICHR looks good, like it's about to break the highs again. How's Roku today? Oh, there's my watch list. Okay, there we go. I have the option chain covering the watch list. Alright, let me let this guy know that this thing is not letting me log in. Let's see what this error code is. try downloading it again. Maybe I didn't download it properly. I just uninstalled it. Now I'm going to open it. Install. Yes. Any of you guys have any tips on why this is not working? Oh, thank you. Ali, you told me that 20 minutes ago. Oh, you know what? Duh. I gotta use the ID they gave me, probably. I just made up any ID. Oh, Ali, you did this yourself. Ali, you did this yourself. So that's how you know. Now I just made a fool of myself in that email. Please help! Like the world. Oh, they're calling me, right? That's a Manhattan number. Hello. Yes, is this Rob? Hey, Rob. I actually live right now, but it's okay. I'm working on. I think I figured it out. I think I just had to reinstall it and make my name the one that was in the email, the username. Okay. Yeah, I'm not having an issue with that. Just quick question since I have you on the phone. The Sterling platform, it on Lightspeed, it's how much is that a month? Is that 230? Is that the actually that's the okay? It's 230, and your commissions are based on your account balance. Is that how that works? Okay, so activity. So most of the people in the group are day traders. They're probably trading I don't know, 5 to 10 trades a day. You know, not talking round trips, whatever, just buy or sell 5 to 10 trades. Um, what are we looking at per share on something like that? Okay. 0.0035. That's not bad. That's only 350 every 1,000 shares. Well, plus the sell, which is very low, right? A few cents usually. Okay. Okay. Very good. Hey, Tony Tony. Oh, Tony's off. I wanted Tony to take over, guys. Just 1 second. Watch that chart. I'll be right back in 2 seconds. Hey guys, I'm so sorry about that, but I have extraordinary news. Extraordinary. If you guys are ready, if you're frickin' ready, I have. Whew, I'm so excited! I don't even want to say it. You ever have some news you just don't want to say? Alright, so Lightspeed. I talk too much. You gotta keep it quick, guys. Always keep it quick. But he's gonna hook me up anyway. What we're gonna have is there's three options here. I'm gonna give you the most bogus option. Now, if we can get about 10 people, 20 would be better, from the group to move over to Lightspeed, right? Even if they just move over and they don't really even use the account that much, is fine. But if we can get that many people to move over, they will take. They don't do like affiliates kind of thing. At least that's what he told me. I don't think that's true. I'm sure there are people that are going to. But there would be a group bonus. In that, he said commissions are usually 0.0035. Well, if we come in as a group like that, they drop our commissions to as low as 0.0015 plus the 0.005 transaction fee. So that's like 0.002 times 1,000. It's $2 every 1,000 shares. It's not bad. That's tolerable. So if we come in together, you can do that. The second good news that I really liked is he said they offer a master sub program. I said, well, what does that mean? Well, a master sub program works like this. There's $100,000 put into one master account that Lightspeed takes control of. Then the master, who I'm assuming is going to be Tony, he's gonna put up 100 grand because I don't have 100 grand lying around to put up. If Tony puts up even some of it, and then we get some from other members. But the point is, when you have a sub account like that, a master account with 100,000, you can take people and give them 5,000, 10,000, 15,000. And what's beautiful about it is, let's say you put in 5,000 towards the 100,000, right? We'll give you a sub account with 5,000. It's your account. You keep your gains. But there's no PDT rule because you're trading off the master account. It's $100,000 or whatever we put in there, 200,000, 250,000. It's got to be a minimum of 100,000 in the master account. Then you can attach as many subs and give them whatever amount of money they've put in, or even if it's just your mentee and you want to throw him $2,000 and see what he can do with it, it doesn't matter. Whatever you put in, you'll get out, and it's a great opportunity for us to trade together. And if multiple people are trading, multiple profitable people are trading, that's why it would be incredible, and we really want our mentees to be profitable. Because we could have a firm going on here. You know, that's typical firm. That's how a firm works. They have a master account and then they give the trader the sub accounts. We can do that. We just got to make sure we're properly educated before we do so. So, that being said, if you're in the private live stream, we're going to go ahead and, well, let me get Lightspeed up real quick. But if you're in the, what's this? I don't know what's up with this thing. So let me just check out Sterling real quick, and then we're gonna go over together some school stuff today. If you're interested and you want to do some school stuff, when I say school stuff, we're gonna learn. Okay. Unbelievable. How's the stocks doing today? Oh, ICHR just hit new highs. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Rare's hitting new highs. Rare's about to break 60. Alright, let's try installing this again. Well, that one looked like it worked. There was no complications there. Uh-oh. Are you kidding me, dude? Ali, why is this still not working? I did it correctly, I believe. What the fuck, man? Sorry. This is ridiculous. Nah, I can't call that guy back. Bitch about the demo. Oh. Okay. I gotta use the install shield password. Is that it? Is that how it works? Anybody there? Is that how that works? Nobody knows. You know what? Fuck it. Fuck it all. It doesn't want to work. I'm sure it's the same exact thing as this, right, Ali? Enter the username. I put it in properly, man. This fucking thing is crazy. Maybe, can I copy it? Please let me copy it. How do you paste? Control what? Control G. Control V. There we go. That's exactly how it is. Thank you. Next. 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 Successfully installed. Open. This is ridiculous. Unbelievable. Uh, I guess it's just a demo, right? Yeah, PM it to me. I still don't think it will work, but it might. I think it's something. I'll make you money. Don't worry about that. I have 90% confidence. Anybody that says they're 100% confident is, see, you got like a weird name. They gave me like such a basic, dumb name. Alright, so let me uninstall this crap. Where's my music? Where's my music? This is probably gonna get us booted off of, it might get us booted. Let's go. Doesn't this remind you of, let me ask you, does this song not remind you of the movie? Not that one. That's actually a commercial of a dog eating something. This one. It was 1959.
I know I'd go from rags to riches.
Alright, good to go now. Let's get this thing up and running. And then let's have a little class. This is a private class that we're going to have for paying members only. If you want to pay, you can click in the link provided above. I'll share it again just in case. And we'll share you on. Alright, let's go ahead and uninstall this thing. Looks like it's uninstalled, but it's still up. Alright.
So open your arms and you'll open the door to every treasure that I'm hoping for. Hold me and kiss me and tell me you're mine evermore. Must I forever be a beggar whose golden dreams will not come true? Or will I I go from rags to riches.
Oh man, they don't have Australian on
My
here.
fate is
I don't know
up
what to
to
do.
you.
I'm speaking Australian, aren't I? Good eye, mate. We had a few guys from Australia. I don't know what happened. I think the time difference was an issue. Yeah.
Must I forever be a beggar?
Oh yeah. Yeah, but they weren't real. They weren't like real Australians. It was this Indian couple living in Australia. Look at that. ICHR still hitting new highs. Good frickin' pick on Tony's call. He called that at the open, remember? Which I'm very skeptic. When I hear buy at the open, I'm like, anything could happen. But that was a good call. Beautiful. Look at that. What is this on a loop?
I know I'd go from rags to riches if you would only say you care. I don't know why I love you, but I do. Look somewhere above her. Pretend you don't love her. Pretend you don't see her at all. Pretend you don't see her. My heart.
See, Ali, it doesn't do this when you do it, right?
Oh, she is coming our way. Pretend you
No, I
don't
did it right.
need
No, I did it
her,
right.
my heart. But
Something's wrong.
smile and pretend to be gay. It's too late for running, my heart. Chin up if the tears start to
Son of
fall.
a B.
Look somewhere above her. Pretend you don't love her. Pretend you don't see her at all. Pretend you don't see her, my heart. Although she is coming our way. Pretend you don't need her, my heart. But smile and pretend to be gay. It's too late for running, my heart. Chin up if the tears start to fall.
Wow. See, that's why I don't. Yeah, I'm not never messing with PayPal. All right.
Pretend you don't
Man.
love her. Pretend you
All
don't
right. I clicked the link
see
you sent me.
her
Trader trial.
at
So,
all.
which one do I download? Hold on, I'll bring it over. Windows 7, 8, and 10, Mac OS 10, Windows 7, 8, or 10. Just two windows though. Should I go for the 64-bit? Heck yeah, I'll go for the 60. This computer's supposed to be able to take anything. There you go. That's a Lightspeed logo. Now I think we're good. That looks legit, right? I could probably get in with my own thing. Let me see. Maybe not. Maybe I'm getting excited again for no reason. Sorry, I'm distracted right now. Where is that email? I don't know what that SSL is. Oh! Yeah, but why does it look like this? Why is it one page? Is everybody else's one page? But we're in! We're in it, baby! We're in! We did it! Me and Ali together. Worked like a team. This looks very different, though, from what I'm used to seeing. I'm not sure that this is sterling. Oh, it is not sterling. Yeah. I don't think this is sterling. Yeah, this is not sterling. You don't have a sterling account! Ali, you gotta make sure you get sterling. The difference is extraordinary. Although this looks pretty damn cool, I gotta say. I love it. The order window's right here above the level 2. You got the charts. And what can I put whatever I want here? Ah. Ew. Oh, that's actually a stock. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Thank you, Ali. All right. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna do a private course. Private course. Private course.
There is nothing for me but to love you and the way you look tonight. With each word, your tenderness grows, tearing my fear apart. And that laugh wrinkles your nose, touches my foolish heart. Lovely, never, never
No, Paven, I'm down 6.8 million on Amazon.
won't you please arrange it?
I don't know how. I went long, but somehow it went against me.
Just the way
I got scared out.
tonight. And that laugh that wrinkles your nose, it touches my foolish
Alright guys, we're gonna have a little course, private course. I'm gonna have to shut that down on YouTube. This is not something that can be recorded. If you're on YouTube and you would like to join, you're more than welcome. Here is the course, right there. Just click the link on the bottom, and it should bring you right to us. Alright YouTube, I am is out.